Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Shaleen. A fatal accident at Arla Keri on Sunday claimed the life of a young Ponda resident. The victim, identified as Rachat, age 27, a resident of Ponda, met with the accident while he was on his scooter en route from Margao to visit his relatives in Arla Keri.
A fatal accident occurred at Arla Keri on Sunday, claiming the life of a young individual. The news came in at 3 o'clock hours when the 108 ambulance service received a call, alerting them about the incident. As per reports, the victim, identified as Rachat Satarkar, is a 27-year-old residing at Ponda, Goa. The mishap occurred when Rachat's scooter collided with an electricity pole situated on the left side of the road near Apteshwar Nagar, Satode, Keri. The impact resulted in severe head injuries, ultimately leading to his untimely demise. Upon receiving the distress call, the police promptly rushed to the scene to investigate the matter further. The deceased's body was swiftly transported to the South District Hospital in Margao for preservation, as confirmed by medical personnel. A post-mortem examination will be held to ascertain the exact cause of death. The local authorities are conducting a thorough investigation into the circumstances surrounding the accident.
Tense situation was reported during the Talegaon village panchayat election on Sunday when a verbal duel erupted between the residents of Talegaon and the Panjim MLA. The cause of the heated arguments was the installation of a polling tent within a 200-meter radius of the polling station. During the argument, Panjim MLA Babush Monserrat was also accused of pressurizing other candidates to withdraw their nominations from the election.
येता बिंग इलेक्शन टाइम पर्सन येता आणि बेस्ट हे हायलाइट्स करता टॉयलेट हे करून हे क्लीन करून ते क्लीन करून
do you know what is to be done? There is no need. Who are you? And who are you? I am who are you? I'm telling you, who are you? Who are you? I am not touching. Who are you? Who are you pointing your finger? Don't talk any rubbish. No, she will not talk any rubbish. I am talking facts.
अरे ये इला इंगसर खबरसाम करपा सी दिस इज व्हाट तमाशा शी वांट्स दिस इज व्हाट तमाशा
What is tamasha?
This is what tamasha she is doing. First of all, she don't have one person also from Kamrabat with them. They don't have anyone, so they are trying to make a big tamasha out of it. We have a candidate. Yeah. Police attack munta, my people कौन aha? My people
fighting. We are giving an opposition. You all wanted to come on. You all wanted Agnello Dikuna wanted to come unopposed. Our Dominic was pressurized to withdraw. Mr. Monserrat also has gone, visited him to withdraw the panel.
What is there for anyone? If I can go to anyone's house and ask you, Baba, what is your reason of contesting? I can easily go to anyone's house.
This
so what is it? It is my panel.
On camera now. This is on camera that he has said he has gone visiting the candidate's house.
Definitely, I have
during
gone.
the nomination filing. During the nomination filing,
I can go to anyone's house.
You are not supposed to go. Sir, you only have said that you wanted an open fight. You only said that you wanted an open fight. You don't have to go to our candidate's house to go and tell them to visit. You don't have to have a fair fight. You don't have to ask. You don't have to ask our candidate. Why do you need to sit for elections?
मुनीस पोलिंग एजंट बसपाक ओसने पळय थिंगा तुम्ही एक व्हिडिओ काडटा मरे ओस पोलिंग एजंट भायले हाडल्या कामरा बाटाचे यांचे वार्ड नंबर 2 एकलोय पोलिंग एजंट ना हांगा बसपाक आई एम चॅलेंजिंग हर टेक वन पर्सन फ्रॉम वार्ड नंबर 2 एंड ब्रिंग एंड पुट इन द पोलिंग एजंट हे जायना तेंकडे मुनीस ना पोलिंग एजंट आणि उलयता व्हडले पेचे पेचे येवन हिंगा सर.
You have asked for a fair election. You said you wanted people to come out and fight this election. And your own people are doing this.
What have I got to do with...
This is Tony's
What have I got to do with the election commission? If they tell the election, complain to them, let them take action. I've got nothing to do with it.
Agnello असे सिंबल घालून ते पिसता आणि येता भितर असे अलाउड हाव. आय बीन ट्राइंग टू कॉल अप द फ्लाइंग स्क्वॉड अजून पासून त्यांचे फोन लागना आणि ते येऊंक ना अजून. हाऊ डू वी फाइट फेअर इलेक्शन्स इन द पंचायत सेक्शन लाईक दिस? आता can you symbol Agnello Dikuna on the table of election day? This is not permitted. आणि जेन्ना हांव टेबलाचेर येवन तेंचे पळोवपाक I started looking what they are doing. तेन्ना म्हाका खबर पडली की अशें करता. तेन्ना हांव तांकां विचारला की तुम्ही अशें कित्याक करता? मागीर बेगीन बेगीन पिजून they started telling
माइक जरा जाले कितें जाले पळय सिंपल इशू पयली इशू कितें आसा ही कानोपी हिंगा कानोपी जेन्ना 200 मिटरच्या आसपास जाय it has to be there is the rules and regulations of election commission आमकां जेन्ना सांगले 200 मिटराच्या भायर घालपाक जाय they cannot put here. Secondly जेन्ना सुशील मॅडम हांगा आयली तेन्ना तेणी कितें पळयलें की they are giving their slips with the Symbol.
And the name.
And the name. This is not a fair election. It should not happen this way.
The Talegaon election concluded with an overall voter turnout of 68.79%, with a total of 8,246 votes polled by Talegaon electors on Sunday. Across the 17 polling stations, a total of 11,988 eligible voters had the opportunity to exercise their democratic rights. The Talegaon Village Panchayat general election of 2024 witnessed a significant voter turnout from 8 a.m. until the close of the polls.
Talegaon Village Panchayat election showcased a commendable turnout of 68.79%, with 8,246 votes cast in total. In Ward 1, 6, 10 and 11 candidates emerged unopposed, securing their positions without opposition. However, in the contested wards, Ward 7 recorded the highest voter turnout percentage at 80.16%.
South Goa Congress candidate Viriato Fernandes has said that the implementation of double tracking would lead to continuous coal transport, potentially transforming Goa into a coal hub. He highlighted the repercussions of double tracking while he addressed a crowd at a campaign meet.
Reserve itlo ha, it is enough macho interrupt kotta. The sogale makaisa. E passenger train. We are getting disturbed. I am getting disturbed, but I think so. Tumi sochta asle daily. Yes. And I want to tell about that. We are fighting against double tracking. This is still a single track. Double tracking zato 5 minutani jo train vetelo kolcha jo. Imagine the health problems that will have. And we have documents. And that documents I showed it to the Chief Minister. 13 तारखे रोहितुंगराचे 2020 during lockdown. The game is not going to stop with second track. There is a third track. I said, Dotor, ye third track hui yeopache ha. We are just fighting against second track. There is a third track which is also mentioned in the Sagarmala document. It is whose document? It is a document released by Prime Minister Modi. So you can imagine ani kitli ghara modpachi ha poite. So coming back. Ye poy 100 rupiya 70 पैशान per ton extract जातालो coal. त्या पासोत आमचे electricity bill Monto Muina Makatista Shemor that Shankide Etale, correct?
Yes.
Till some few months back. At the electricity bill one lucky there. Because this is the coal that is brought from Australia. On Atta, Adani Atta. And what is the cost of that? Which he is selling to the government of India is 19 rupees 80 paise. 3 times higher. Naturally electricity bill vattele. What is this? Modi model.
Calling the North Goa MP Shripad Naik as a silent figure, North Goa Congress candidate Ramakant Kalap said that an MP should be the voice of the people in the parliament. He was speaking during the election campaign late evening on Saturday.
लोकशाहीन आमकां जो बोलण्याचो अधिकार दिला ना, फंडामेंटल राइट ताका म्हणटात, मूलभूत अधिकार. बोला, मागणी करा, खोटे बोलू नका. आमदाराची, पंचायतीच्या सदस्याची, जिल्हा परिषदच्या सदस्याची, लोकसभेच्या खासदाराची एकच त्याचे कर्तव्य असतं, काम असतं. त्याने बोललं पाहिजे, त्याने मागण्या केल्या पाहिजे, त्याने भांडलं पाहिजे. आणि त्याने जर तो भांडला नाही तर ती कामं होत नसतात. माझे मित्र श्रीपाद भाऊ नाईक बोलत नाहीत. हो, तुम्ही बोला ना. घरांच्या लहान भुरग्यांना जर भूक लागली तर न लागली तर ते पोट जर रडूक लागले तर आईचं लक्ष तिच्याकडे जातं. काही वेळा शेजारचे लोक म्हणतात, हात मारतात त्या शेजारच्या बाई, काय गे कोण काकी म्हणत किंवा काल नाव म्हणत, तो कोण रट्टा केल्या, त्याला काहीतरी खाऊ घ्या असे लोकही सांगतात. आणि विधानसभेत आणि लोकसभेत बोलणारे आम्ही खासदार आमदार सुद्धा त्या मुलासारखेच असतो. आम्ही जेव्हा मागणी करू, आवाज वाढवू, आमचं एक प्रकारचे रणगाणेच ते असतात. त्यामुळे त्या सरकारात जागेला काहीतरी कर्ज पडता म्हणून. नाहीतर वर्तमानपत्र ही शेजाऱ्या ते वर्तमानपत्र उद्या लिखाण करतात, त्या आमदारान इतकी मागणी केली आणि या कोडक्या सरकारान ते काम केले ना. हो स्पष्ट पडटा आमचो. महादेशी नदी जेव्हा चोरून घेऊन गेले शेजारचे आमचे, त्यावेळी ओरडला का नाही आमचा खासदार, का रडला नाही तो.
The fishermen from Benauli on Sunday have voiced their concerns, urging the government to make the Marga fish market go 24/7 for Goan sellers so that the Goan fish vendors can have ample of time to sell their fish. Additionally, they also demanded strict action to be taken on the non-Goan trawlers who use LED lights to catch fish.
ये आमगेले बाणाली रांपणी पडले आजच्यान आणि आमी सातूय रांपुणकार एक जाले. गव्हर्मेंटाक कोय मागपा जो आमगेलो नुस्त्या मार्केट आहा ती आमगे रांपणी नुस्त्या केन्ना 10 पावता, केन्ना 12 पावता, केन्ना 1 पावता. पूण आमगेले हे नुस्त्या बाजार आहा तो आम 10 मुटरी गेट बंद कोता. सो हे ट्रेडिशनल हार्यां लागो हो नुस्त्याचो बाजार जाला. आणि आज आम किंकपना हे भायले मनीस कर्नाटकासून बेंगलोर आणि गुजरात बॉम्बे ते इतुले बॉक्सा नुस्तें हाड ते किंकप आणि आम किंकपाचे बंद आहा. सो हो आम गव्हर्मेंटाक मागताय आमगेलो नुस्त्या बाजार आमकां स्पेशल रांपुणकारां दिसभर चालू दवचून. आणि तेच भाशेन आम कितले जड रे बाबा. आणि तेच भाशेन आम गव्हर्मेंटाक मागताय हे LED भायल्यो बोट येताय तांबडे कलर. आमी आयकलाय त्यो बॉम्बेच्यो आणि गुजराताच्यो आणि कर्नाटका म्हूण ह्यो बंद करच्यो. हेसो नुस्तें आम डेली पडटाले. आतां मोठ नुस्तें आम ते पळोना आणि बुल टॉलिंग बंद करचें आम गव्हर्मेंटाक मागोता आहाय. आणि ते आमगे कितें आयकनाय म्हूण सांगू. इलेक्शना दिसाक एक वोट घाल तेक वोट घाल म्हूण सांगो येताय. ही आमगेली गव्हर्मेंटान मागणी आयकोच म्हूण आम मागताय. सारकें मरे.
आणि नुस्त्या पतून हाडा
आणि हे पतून हाडा. होय सांग जेडा सांग.
10 वर जाली मग त्या नुस्त्या रेट नव्याच पतून हाडा. आणि त्या जेल्ला त्या नुस्तें ऐकताय भाली नुस्तें
तेंगे हाय कनेक्शन आसता जेडा तेंगे
ते होपून जाय मग आमच्या बंद करताय. अरे 10 वरांचे सेल जायना जाल्यार नुस्त्याक आणि कसो फायदो आमी आयसागान दवरपाचें.
Goa experienced a moderate temperature on Sunday with 26.8 degrees Celsius being the lowest temperature and 34.1 degrees Celsius as the maximum temperature. As per IMD, Goa weather is going to be likely dry from 24th April to 4th May 2024 in North and South Goa.
The national capital on Sunday recorded a minimum temperature of 23.5 degrees Celsius, normal as per the season's average, according to the India Meteorological Department. On the other hand, Goa recorded 26.8 degrees Celsius as the lowest temperature and the maximum temperature recorded was 34.1 degrees Celsius on Sunday. Overall, no major changes were seen prevailing in North Goa and South Goa. In both districts, the weather is very likely to be dry from 24th April to 4th May 2024. There's likely to be Hajj in the morning at isolated places on the 28th and 29th of April. No big changes in maximum temperature during the next 5 days will be seen in North and South Goa districts, the IMD Panjim reported.
A flash sale held by a shopping mall in Kalangut, which attracted a massive crowd, sent the entire traffic situation for a toss. Because of the crowds, the entire stretch of road was left in a heavy traffic congestion for hours. The sale started from 11 p.m. and ended at 3 a.m. The jams exposed the complete lack of handling traffic and preparation for events that invites crowds. In a thrilling match on Saturday, United Sports Club of Nerul secured a hard-fought victory against Sankeli SC, prevailing 6-5 in a tense tiebreaker. This triumph propels them into the quarterfinals of the prestigious Musa Ali Aga football tournament.
The showdown unfolded at the Sanquelim Municipality Ground, where Nerul's United Sports Club showcased their resilience and determination, edging past their opponents in a nail-biting encounter. With this win, they set their sights on further success in the upcoming stages of the tournament, leaving football enthusiasts eagerly anticipating their next match.
Varka Sports Club marched into the semi-finals of the 15th Davali Cup by defeating Kurtori Gymkhana. Varka Sports Club won the quarterfinals match by 2-1, which was played at Davali Panchayat ground. The thrilling match was organized by Sporting Club Davali on Saturday.
In the first quarter of the quarter-final match held on Saturday, Kurtorim Gymkhana had the upper hand and their players tried hard but couldn't hit the target. Till half-time, both teams remained on a 0-0 draw. As the match began in the second session, Kurtorim Jimkhan Joy Hilario's header from the corner kick went over the crossbar. Varka's Chris Mundus sent a long pass to Carlos Gonçalves, who controlled the ball and placed the ball in the far corner, beating goalkeeper Johnson Bagat in 32nd minute of the game. Later on, Kurtorim Jimkhan mounted pressure on Varka and Kaitan Vigas scored the equalizer in 41st minutes of the game. The all-important goal came from the boots of Carlos Gonçalves in the 52nd minute of play with neat placement. Philippe Colicot gave man of the match to Kolom Ian Noronha of Varka Sports Club. Inacio for Herald TV.
That's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV News. For more news and alerts, please follow us on Heraldo on Facebook and Twitter. Take care and goodbye.